I'm Iron Man.
I'm Captain America.
I was made at Marvel.
So was I. Tell you a secret? Keeping secrets is my specialty.
Come on. My films always break records at the box office.
So did mine.
All of my products become #1 on the market.
So do mine.
Hey, I'm Tony Stark.
Peter Parker is my friend.
Yeah, whatever. Now let me show you our new service, Playwoods.com.
Travel between worlds.
Table game.
Whose beliefs conflicted with my own.
Hey, buddy. I want to join the army. I love it.
Come on. Next, I hired Storm Shadow at a high price because he's a ninja who can speak Japanese.
Bandai Namco! Bandai!
But isn't he Korean?
Next, I'll show you my allies, the Avengers. I have omnipotent armor.
My shield is my greatest weapon. Okay, you win.
I love women, but not children.
Yeah, glad I'm a soldier.
What are you looking at? Your weapons can't puncture my armor. One for all for one.